Hi, welcome back. This is Adventures with Dr. Joe. Today, I'm going to change the battery in the Corvette C8 key fob. This is for a 2023, but it's the same for 2024 and through 2019. So let's get started. First thing we want to do is push this little button, which removes the emergency key. Comes right out here. And then we're going to use the emergency key to open this. This is the piece that needs to be popped up. It's connected here and here. It seems like you're going to break it, but you're not, because this has a little narrow tab that fits under this. You literally don't pry it, push it. Push it straight in and it pops right up. And then under here is the battery. It takes a 2450, a CR 2450. I'll have a link in the description to get these. It's a little bit bigger battery than standard. Standards are like the 2032s, but for the GMC, the Corvette, other things, the 2450 is used. I think it has a longer life. So, take the battery out, piece of cake, put it back in, under the large lip, push. Put the seal, this is a silicone seal, and this goes back in. This end has to fit in first, and then this end has a little ramp. Just pop it back in, put the key back, and you're back in business. Hey, if you found this helpful, please click thumbs up, consider subscribing. Thank you.